Hey, what's up guys? What's going on? So today I'm going to discuss the Coca-Cola Company with ticker symbol KO. So what's going on in Coca-Cola? So I am curious whether you are making millions of dollars in the Wall Street. If not, you will make, okay? Don't worry, it's not a rocket science. Be a little strategic and eventually it will come, okay? So in one day, Coca-Cola was down today on June 20, 2025, 37 cents only. So it's nothing. What about 5 days? In 5 days also it's down, and it's down from $71.15. It's a little bit down for 5 days. What about 1 month? In 1 month it is down from $71.85. Not a big deal of movement. What about 6 months? 6 months, however, was rewarding a little rewarding from it was up from $62.38. What about 1 year? In 1 year tenure, actually, it went up from $62.77. Once again, it's not a big movement. What about 5 years? In 5 years, it is up from $43.57. So it is not a big movement for 5 years as well. So Coca-Cola did not become very rewarding. So it was not very rewarding to me, at least. What about return statistic? In 1 year it gave 14% return opposed to 9% of S&P 500 index. What about 3 years? In 3 years it gave 27% return opposed to S&P 500 62%. It is not good at all. What about 5 years? In 5 years it gave 74% return opposed to 93% of S&P 500. I am not happy with the return of Coca-Cola. This is not like what kind of return I am looking for. However, let's see the financials. So the profit margin is good. It is very high. It is 23%, and return on equity is stunning, 39% for a company like Coca-Cola. And what about diluted EPS 2.49? It's good. It's not very good. So trailing P is good, 27.65, not very good. What about forward P? 23.26 for a company like Coca-Cola. It's not pretty good. So I am not in either for buying or selling of this stock. I am not that much interested in that stock. And you see, analysts have a price estimate of $77.83. They are targeting this price. However, the price is $68.84. That means the stock is undervalued according to the analysts. But I personally do not want to think of buying it, because this stock did not give much of a movement, and perhaps it is going to remain the same. It's not going to be suddenly become an explosive stock. It's not going to become a growth stock. It is consistently making money, but it's not a growth stock. I like growth stock, and growth stock which are safer than other growth stocks, but making too much potential, is showing too much of potential. Those kinds of stocks that I like. That's why I'm not going to recommend you to buy Coca-Cola. But that is not an investment decision. That is not an investment recommendation. This is only to help you make millions, okay? So it is of course up to you. You have to apply your judgment before you decide to buy or sell anything, okay? So this is Wall Street. These stock markets, anytime anything can happen. It may explode anytime. I do not know what's going to happen, but what rationally I believe it's not a good growth stock. It's not like that. So you can make money here. You can make 100% return in here in 2 years, 3 years, but I would not recommend it for long-term holding, because it is not, till now it is not an explosive stock in nature, okay? So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.